Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I set up a natural no filter aquarium same day. But first, aquarium meeting. Jerry Jobs gave an awesome talk and also a aquarium demonstration. We had the auction going on as well, and even somebody won that tank. But I came back home with a lot of fish. Let's get into it. And Jerry gave me a few plants that he had been working on. So that's like a lobelia. We got some weeping moss. This is the ranchulatus. Of course, these are all tissue cultures. This is actually a Pogostemon erectus. Hygrophila pinnafatida. And this is a newer plant. I can't remember the name. It was something crazy. He's supposed to text me what it was, but it's kind of in between a Crip and a Nubius. A little different. Then also another Crip-like plant. We'll see how this goes and grows. I have to find the name for it too. Thanks, Jerry. Alright, got them all a bath. We'll see how they do. Maybe these will force me to do water changes. I wasn't planning on getting these because I need water changes to like really get them to transition and do well for you. At least water changes. And I also got a bunch of fish to share with you guys. Some killifish. And also something I've been wanting a long time. So you guys may know what those are. Look at those little babies. So sweet. Jeff will love these. And in preparation of these trout Goodieds, I was going to make a board for this 40-gallon here, but since I got them, I wasn't really expecting to get them. I'm going to go ahead and put sand on like half the side. You can see I've got some mulmy water in there. I saved it in a bucket because Sarah uses it or can use it for her plants. But we'll go ahead and get some sand in here and get this started for them. And of course, good old yard sand, so this will be nice and healthy for them. Alright, it may not look like much now. A lot of muck on top, but you know what? They'll love picking at that. Now I can start with the bass. The bass for the bass. Alright, all cleaned up. Absolutely love these things. Mini bass, mini trout. Jump, 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 jump. Sarah thinks we're gonna eat these.
Says they're trout.
Got a few of them. There's 2 bags. Check on them here in a little bit after the water settles down. Sun quits reflecting. Liking that sunshine. And then the rest is a bunch of killifish. Chromoamphicemian polyaci, Polyfamba trio. I don't know, I might have to keep these guys. I will definitely have some epilates to get high for you guys. These are the females. And here are the males. They look vigorous. Now This is an annual killifish. They weren't having any luck with them. The female's a bit skinny. They did say they treated her. Give her some dampening, see if she fattens up. But it looks like he's trying to spawn her. He's like really going crazy with her. So separate them, give her a break. I know, anybody want a pair of these Constantines? Constacios, whatever say that. I do have a volcano male, so I'll have a trio up too, I'm sure. They probably won't last long. On the website, they probably won't last long. And then I've got some Panchex Sakurami, which is like an Indian killifish. A little different. You get more of the red, kind of greenish body. It's the male. There's the female. It's got some color too, but I've got some. Had these guys for quite some time, and you can see more colored up, all relaxed there. You get these like reflective golden colors and green kind of colors with the reds. And I also brought home Judith. What to do with old Judith here. And for the Opas, I mean, she doesn't look that bad. I think she just may have been stressed. Probably too stressed by him, so we'll give them some time apart. Cool looking fish though. This is more of an annual killifish, so I don't know. They're on the bigger side. And these aren't annual, so these will actually live for a few years. These are Epilotes Goodieds. And they'll live about as long as a betta fish. Beautiful. Here's the chunkiest, littlest pair of clown killies. Amphisemian, baby! Trio. To sell those or to keep those? That's the question. Here is the Goodyear trout tank the day after. It looked pretty bad yesterday, but threw some plants in there. Added a light. Now it's a delight. Ha 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 ha. I like it. I put that one crip in there too, or crip light plant. These things are so cool. So this is next to our bed, so we can watch these guys as we fall asleep. And they don't seem as jumpy, so I may go ahead and raise the water level. I do want to add some more plants, maybe down on the foreground here. But that was an instant tank, so I stuck all these fish in this new tank that day. So can you do an instant tank? Yes. Yes, you can. And that's a lot of fish for a new tank. Keep in mind, I was using well water, not city water. You can use aged water, aquarium water. Hey, what are you doing? Look at this cat. What are you doing, kitty? Oh my gosh. Girl, come here. What are you doing? He's a wild cat. He's a wild cat. Oh, kitty girl. More to come. Like and subscribe. Not a bad vibe.